How to fix and solve Spotify payment failed problem. So if you want to fix and solve Spotify payment failed problem, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have the updated version of Spotify. To check that, you need to first open up your Play Store. So search for Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, just go with search, which is on the bottom. And here you need to search for Spotify. Once you find Spotify, if you have any updates on your Spotify, then you just need to simply go and update it. So in my case, I have an update. So just simply tap on update it and it will start the updating process. So once it's updated, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is tap and hold on to your Spotify and then go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which is on the right side. Once you tap on clear cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can try another payment method. You can use a different card or payment method like PayPal if available. Sometimes banks block certain transactions due to security concerns. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can check with your bank. You can contact your bank to ensure that there are no restrictions on international transactions or specific issues with Spotify payments. Or you can also update your payment method on Spotify. You can open up your Spotify, go with the account page. You can go with your profile, go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you will have account. You need to tap on account, and under account, if you have your payment details, or you can just simply go with the account overview. And under your plan, in my case, I have a free plan, but under your plan, you need to select update payment details and then re-enter or update your payment details. So these were the few solutions. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.